Welcome to the Fastpitch Profile Website Software Highlights Manager tutorial. You will learn everything you need to know about managing the game highlights on your softball recruiting website. Let's get started by clicking on the Manage Highlights button. Here in the Game Highlights Manager section, you can add any highlights to your profile page, or update any previous highlights you have entered. The software allows you to have up to 8 highlights active in your profile. Once you have reached the 8 highlight maximum allowed, you will need to delete a highlight in order to add a new one. When entering your highlight, you can choose the exact order it will be displayed on your softball recruiting website by selecting the position of the highlight. You will notice that a green tooltip appears when you click into the highlight form fields. These tooltips show you the exact structure of the link you must enter into the software. If you do not enter the data as instructed, it will not be accepted and the fields will remain blank after submitting your highlight. Let's add a highlight here in the Game Highlights form, and position it in the last available location. After you have copied and pasted your highlight link, you can click on the Submit Highlight button to add it to your profile. You can now see that your new game highlight has been added to the list of active highlights. You have the ability to delete any highlights by click on the Delete button located next to any of them. You can easily update any game highlight by clicking on the Edit button located next to it as well. You can then update the game highlight and click on the Submit Highlight button once again. Now that you know how to manage your game highlights, you can click on the Close Window button and we will see how the game highlights are displayed on your softball recruiting website. You will need to click on the green Publish Profile Updates button in order for your updated game highlights to be displayed live on your website. After clicking the Publish Profile Updates button, you will notice it switches to Preview Fastpitch Profile and we can click on the same button again to launch our live profile page.
Does there, giving chase as the catcher Gibson who makes the catch, one away.
Great job tracking the ball, coming away with the very first out. Hughes with your 16. I'm going to throw 18 strikeouts.
34 combined strikeouts yesterday in the first 2 games. And 6 in the first 2 innings for Hagler. 18 straight strikes, getting it done in the inning.